Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with New York Community Bank. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with New York Community Bank, first visit their official website. Once on the home page, locate the Personal Banking section. Click on that section to explore various banking options. Next, look for the Budgeting Tools link or tab. Select it to find resources designed to assist with budgeting. You may come across budgeting calculators or guides. Take the time to review these tools to understand their features. After familiarizing yourself with the tools, gather your financial documents. Collect your income statements, expenses, and any other relevant financial information. Open the budgeting calculator provided by the bank. Input your total income in the designated area. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage. Then, add your variable expenses, like groceries and entertainment. Ensure all spending categories are covered for an accurate budget. Once you've entered all information, review the summary provided by the calculator. Make adjustments as needed to stay within your financial goals. See if the tool suggests areas where you can save money. If satisfied with your budget, save or print the summary for future reference. Consider setting up alerts or reminders for due dates of bills. Regularly monitor your spending to ensure you are sticking to your budget. Finally, revisit the budgeting tool each month to make necessary adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.